happens to all adults around me.
Yeah, and in 1981, 2 years before Scott started his MBA, Crocker had been purchased by the British Midland Bank. This was not a great sign, and its health as an institution declined throughout the mid-1980s. Scott claims that he was denied a promotion because of diversity in 1986. That year is also the year that Crocker Bank collapsed.
Jesus
Christ. And it's interesting. He acknowledges in his book that like a few months after he quit, because he quits because he doesn't get a promotion and moves to another company. A few months later, every person in his old group in the bank had been. And the way he frames this, right after saying that like he'd been denied a promotion for diversity reasons, it kind of makes it look that like the firing of his coworkers was related, that like they did some purge for diversity purposes. The reality is that Crocker Bank fell apart. Like it collapses the year that he leaves. He does not lose out on
top ranking, yeah man, a bad man thing, yeah. Amount of people wake up when the paper and pirates sail out of your chest a tear up.
Hey.
Sí, sí. Llave rueda. Chicharra. Llave 12. Llave 12. Porque esa es una vaina que eso tiene en común el cirujano y el mecánico. No, que el mecánico tiene un...
Jesus.
Felt Petco. Ryan fell in love. Oh my god. Okay. Whoa, what the?
What is everybody doing?
Oh my god. Okay.
Jesus Christ.
We're just trying to get.
What is with people down here?
Oh my.
Whoa, what's this guy doing? Whoa! What was that about?
Oh, this car. The car doesn't have...
Go home and they'll try to find rides on the way home.
Okay.
However, that doesn't always work.
Got it.
So, oh my god. Jeez. Okay, nobody hit. Nobody got hit. That's good.
What was that?
I don't know. Somebody was probably trying to change lanes and didn't look.
Holy cow.
That I just put out there came back in a much slower rate than this little spot did. That spot is probably a mosquito, but it gets way more detail.
Shit, dude. Oh, sneaky cop. Shit. Poor little Honda.
Sorry.
学写字跟读书嘛，看一来不会读书嘛，哦哦哦哦哦 ，OK， 哎，赶快走，他走我们就跟着走，他怎么忽然间闪的？